Hello and welcome to another episode of EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. We're continuing our search series on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad, and we're going to take a look at proximity searching. So if you take a look at the home screen, and I'm going to tap on the magnifying glass up here, and I'm going to enter two words, faith and sight, to search for. Now you can see there are 1,278 results. I'm going to look again this time for the words within 5 words of each other. So to do that in a proximity search, I need to put a quote mark, and then I come to the end, put another quote mark, and then I'm going to put the little tilde in, and then how many words are between the faith and the sight there can be. So I'm going to type 5. So faith and sight are within 5-word proximity of each other. Now this time you notice there's only 211. Let's increase our range or proximity here. So I'm going to type like 25. So this time we've increased it from 211 to 636 results because I've got 25 words that can appear between faith and sight. So if you want, that doesn't limit within a paragraph. That means it could even go into the second or third or the fourth paragraph following. So if you're looking for particularly 2 words, let's say on a page, then proximity search is the best way to do that. I hope this little proximity search tip has been a blessing to you in our series on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And so we're going to continue on next time on learning how to do ordered search. So tune in. Have a blessed day.